what is the servicing and maintenance cost of owning a Jeep Compass? This was one of the queries that I had. So without wasting your time, let me get straight into it. I recently completed a journey of 1200 kilometers from Vizag to Bangalore, and honestly, it was one of the most fun road trips we've had in a while. For those of you who haven't seen that video, it's right here. So like I've mentioned in the how to prepare for a road trip video, before I embarked on a long journey, I made sure to check my car essentials and also to get my car serviced. So I decided to get the 15k service done at 14,000 kilometers itself. I bought this car in July of 2021, 9th of July to be precise. So in approximately 10 months, I've covered 15,000 kilometers, most of which are on road trips for content. Now coming to the issues I had with the car. Unlike other Jeep owners, I had very few, if not none at all. The AC cooling had become ineffective, which was understandable after 15,000 kilometers. The battery of one of my key fobs had died, so had to get that replaced. So if you guys remember in my insurance video, the service center people had agreed to repaint the car at my next service. The problem that I faced today is while they were repainting the panels, the prior step is to prepare the surface, and while they were preparing the surface, they've not prepared it cleanly and they have painted over the dust particles. Now because of which there is a lot of pit stains on the car. So I'm not able to do anything about it. The only solution is to repaint it, but they will repaint it at no extra cost, which is covered by the insurance. But since I need the car right now, I'm taking the car along with me, and I will be giving back the car to them in another 5,000 kilometers because my first service is due. So I've taken it in writing from them that we'll do repainting for the doors which are done now at your first service. Kindly please support us as approved by GM, whoever it is. So I had to get that done, and that was of priority to me. I opted to go for the pickup and drop service at no additional cost. Now this is unlike the bigger cities such as Mumbai and Bangalore, where they charge you a nominal fee of 500 for pickup and drop. However, I chose to pick up the car from the service center post completion. Wheel alignment costs you 1062 and wheel balancing costs 929 rupees. So I chose to get it done from outside at half the price. Whereas if you choose to get it done from the service center, that's an additional 2000 to your bill. Coming to what all was changed. All your filters will be changed. That is your oil filter, fuel filter, air filter and AC filter. The engine oil was changed, the washer fluid as well. For those of you like me who did not know what a washer fluid is, it is the fluid that is used along with your wipers. Since my DEF was low, an additional 5-liter AdBlue was topped up. So the total cost including taxes came up to 566 just for the DEF. Now that I have the car back from the service, let me share the cost breakup with you. Engine oil costs around 3873, oil filter costs 672, fuel filter costs 7561. So as you can see, based on all the parts that were replaced, your oil filter costs the most. Next is your air filter, which is 1068. Your AC filter is 1576. Various smaller elements which I actually do not know where they're used. So you have your plug drain, you have your sealing gasket drain, you have your disposable cover set, you have your distilled water. Then comes your windshield washers. So this is the washer fluid that I was telling you guys, which is used along with your wipers. Like I told you guys, I have a detergent diesel exhaust. The total with taxes comes up to around 566. Now mind you, this is only for 5 liters. The total capacity of DEF in my car is 13 liters. The total bill is 16,032 rupees. Yes, it is true that it is very high maintenance, but that high maintenance cost comes only once a year. Now coming to the overall performance of the car. I'm telling you guys, I've had this car for approximately 10 months and it's clocked 15,000 kilometers. Right now I'm getting a mileage of 10 in a city like Bangalore, whereas in Vizag I get a mileage of approximately 11 or 12 in this city. On the highway, and it depends on your driving. I've also made a video on how much mileage the Jeep gives. You can see that video right here. Now I came from Vizag to Bangalore. I was able to cover 1250 kilometers in approximately 15 hours. So I got a mileage of something around 10.7. This was just to give you guys an idea of what is the service cost and how is the maintenance cost of a Jeep Compass 2022 model. And I have to tell you guys, this is the diesel variant. Alright, I hope to have answered some of the questions that you guys must have had, because even when I was purchasing the car, this was one of the queries that I had. What is the servicing and maintenance cost of owning a Jeep Compass? I did not come across a lot of videos. There were only 2 videos at that time when I bought it 10 months ago. So right now, hopefully this will be the 3rd video and it will answer a lot of queries that you guys might have. And that is the video for this weekend. Hope you liked it. Please do hit that thumbs up button because I'm trying to make a mixture of Jeep Compass videos and travel vlogs. Thankfully for me, you know, you guys are responding really well to the travel vlogs, and I'm not saying I'm an expert on automotives, but just that since I have a Jeep Compass, I can tell you from user experience all the problems that I am facing, or it might assist you in making a decision or answer your queries. Well, that's it for this weekend's adventure, guys. Hope to see you on the next one, and share the video with all your friends and family. Do subscribe to the channel because like I told you, we keep coming up with mixture of content, that is be it travel vlogs and everything Jeep Compass. So if you have any queries, please mention in the comments below, and please let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a 15,000 kilometers review of the car. If enough people have requested for it, I will make a review of the Jeep Compass at 15,000 kilometers. So thank you for all the support you guys have given. Please continue showing your support to the channel. Thank you for everything that you guys are doing for us. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.